Sanshna Suri, Miss Supranational Malaysia, and here's my really good friend.
Thank you, Sanshna. Hi, my name is Andy T. I'm the founder of Elites MMA. So are we ready?
Yes, let's go get our hair makeover.
Visions of you and I see you all around my way, bending in to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
Hi guys, now would you look at that? How did it go?
Oh my god, it was amazing. So I did the Cinderella treatment and I understand why it's named that way. I mean, you can just touch it. It's so soft and silky.
Guys, it's soft and soft.
It's amazing. And even your hospitality was so divine. I can't wait to come back. You should definitely do this
Okay,
treatment.
Cinderella for me tomorrow. Yeah. How did it go?
Check this out, my new look. I feel so fresh right now. I got my hair cut from Hanif. I love this clean cut over here and there. And of course, I love this place so much. And the most important part is, they are professional.
Thank you, Andy. I agree.
Welcome.